Do you know that you can make your spouse chase after you again, like the first time? Do you remember the first time this person met you? How the communication, the affection, the love, you know, was going, everything was going smoothly. Okay, you cannot stay a day without talking to this person. You cannot stay a day without hearing the voice of this person. Okay, when you see his or her message, you rush and pick your phone and open it and start, replying back. Okay, if these things is no longer happening in your life, in your relationship, if your partner is not obsessed with you, if your partner is not giving you that attention, if your partner is not communicating with you very well anymore, okay, you don't know what happened, you don't know just what came up, what happened, you cannot be able to give account on why these things are no longer happening in your relationship. You guys now stay weeks, months and days without communicating, without talking. In this video, I'm going to share with you what you can do to make this person start chasing you again like they used to do before, like the first time you guys met. Okay, those communication, those chatting, those feelings, those happiness, they are going to come back again. Okay, this is a spiritual recipe. Okay, anything that has taken that joy, that feelings away, okay, once you do these spiritual assignments, they are going to come back, because sometimes these are spiritual problem. Okay, there are negative forces, negative spirits that can be able to put this problem in between both of you. Okay, now you see this person, you are no longer happy. This person see you, are no longer happy. This person see your call, they will not pick it. This person see your message, they will not reply. That is a powerful problem that need to be solved. Okay, there are spirits, there are forces that are behind this problem. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to teach you what you need to do. Once you do this assignment, anything that is blocking that communication, that affection, that love, that happiness will be removed, and you start enjoying your relationship again. Okay, a lot of people are no longer enjoying the relationship just because of this problem. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in the channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you, you'll never regret subscribing to the channel. Okay, my mission or my aim in this channel is to make your relationship work. Okay, so make sure that you're part of this channel, right? So if you are no longer understanding what is going on in your relationship, if your communication is dead, if your partner no longer reply your text, your chat, and you don't know what to do, this is something that you can do to help change that problem. Okay, this is what you can do to change that story, right? So what you need to do is to get me only two things that you need. Okay, number one is honey. Okay, you need to get honey. Now this is original honey, undiluted. Original honey is what you need. Don't go to the market and buy the one that is being diluted. Buy original honey. Okay, so that your work will be effective. Okay, now when you buy original honey, you also get alligator pepper. Okay, alligator pepper is a powerful spiritual item. Okay, for sending messages, right? Now when you get these two items, honey, everybody know that honey is something that is sweet. Okay, nothing that is living that tastes honey will resist it. It's something that's naturally sweet. Okay, once you are a living thing and you taste honey, you must enjoy it, you must like it. Okay, so you need to get honey. Okay, and you need to get alligator pepper. Now when you get these two items, what you need to do in the morning, okay, take one seed from this alligator pepper, put it inside your left palm. Okay, put it inside your left palm, then open honey, open the honey. Okay, put a little drop of it on your palms together with that alligator pepper seed that is in your palms. You understand? Just one alligator pepper seed in your palms and a little drop of honey on top of that alligator pepper seed. Okay, now when you put them there, you are going to speak with that alligator pepper and that one. You say that today, as honey is sweet, I bring back the sweetness, the joy, the happiness that was in this relationship when we met earlier. Okay, that any negative forces, any negative spirit that has come to scatter this relationship today, I'm saying it is over. As honey is sweet, so shall our love, our relationship be sweet again. Okay. After saying these things, you are going to leave that honey together with that seed of alligator pepper and you swallow it. Okay. You swallow it. The second day you do the same thing. You are going to repeat the process for good 7 days. Okay. That is 1 week. You are going to repeat the process for good 7 days. That is 1 week. Okay. After the 7 days, you start observing that your relationship. Start watching your relationship. Start observing what is happening. Okay. This is going to bring a total resolution, a total change. Okay. A total turnaround in that your relationship. You see your man loving you again. You see your woman giving you attention again like they used to do before. Okay. This is going to bring sweetness and harmony in your relationship. This is common thing that you can do. I call it common because it's very simple. Just a seed of alligator pepper and honey. You repeat it for good 7 days without missing any day. Take note, don't miss any day, okay? Because some people, when you give them spiritual assignment to do, they will skip some days. And when they did not see the result, they will be the one that will come and still tell you that it did not work. So don't skip any particular day. Do it accordingly, serially, okay? And you are going to give testimony, all right? So this is something that you can do, and your love will come back fully, right? So if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, okay? If you want to talk to me directly, my number is up there. Chat me up on WhatsApp, okay? And you never regret, okay? So do this and you never regret. And if you have been going through this problem, please try and do this assignment, okay? You see changes. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.